install your slab mount card brackets, you will need at least one bracket with a 3M strip installed, a 12-inch ruler or straight edge, and a small torpedo level. Next, peel the protective cover off of all the 3M strips located on the brackets that you plan on installing. Now, place the ruler on the wall and check for level. I like using a ruler because it simplifies spacing the brackets evenly. Once you have leveled your ruler, while holding it firmly in place with one hand, begin to set your brackets along the level surface. At this point, you can check for plumb with your level or eyeball it after your cards are mounted. Once you are happy with the placement, continue installing the other brackets. We have found that a spacing of 4 inches center to center for our vertical mount brackets leaves about a 1-inch spacing between your graded cards and a 1¼ inch spacing between magnetic cases. For horizontal brackets, we recommend spacing them 6½ inches apart center to center. This will leave you with a nice symmetrical aesthetic for your card display. All you have to do now is click your cards into their new mounts. That's it. Thanks for taking the time to watch this install video, and if you purchased our products, thanks again for your support. We are a small company ran by sports fans based out of Washington State. Everything we sell is made in-house and ships directly from us to you. If you have any questions, you can contact us through our website at slab-mount.com.